My name is Michelle Dyer, and I just have to note I am not a financial advisor. Please consult one. And the views expressed here are strictly my own and do not reflect my employer. Set it and forget it. David Bach has a wonderful book called The Automatic Millionaire, so definitely go check that out. He talks about automating all of your savings, and once you automate it, then you won't miss it. So, people who have jobs that get paid every 2 weeks, he recommends that you set withdrawals for your retirement account, for your savings account, and for kids like 529 or whatever other accounts that you have buckets for the accounts that you need to save for. So retirement, 529, savings. And you automatically deduct that money on the day that you get paid, so you never really see it in your checking account. And companies love to set up automatic payments right now, right? Because once you are signed up for a subscription, all these box subscriptions, once you automate it, it takes effort. Oh, you go look at your credit card and you're like, oh, did I sign up for that? Yeah, I guess I did. I guess it's on automatic payment. Okay, I'll cancel that subscription next month. Then next month. Oh, you know what? I didn't cancel that subscription. Let me do it next month. And then you delay, procrastinate, and you forget to cancel the subscription, right? Or you delay it a couple months and then you go and cancel the subscription. So when you automate processes, you don't have to think about it. So number one, you don't have to think about, oh, how much am I going to move to this investment account? And you have to go into online banking and actually move the money. When you automate it, number one, you don't see the money, so you don't see it in your account to think that get to spend it. And number two, you don't have to remember to go do the process. So Automatic Millionaire, fantastic, fantastic book. Go check it out. I want you to automate all your processes. So whether this is the first of each month or the 15th of each month or the 30th of each month, you know this amount of money is coming out of your checking account. So you need to make sure that your checking account has that much money in it. Go ahead and do that, because I know we don't get consistent paychecks. Or every time you do get a paycheck, if you can be disciplined enough to put money in the buckets that they need to go into. So you know what works best for you, and check out the Automatic Millionaire. Automate your savings and your financial life.